Hi guys, what's up? Yeah. Hi, I'm Bart, and I'm from Poland, and I also live in Warsaw. Oh Jesus, and I sound like a robot. I'm lead front-end software engineer at Kolleno. There is something magical about working here, working with my tech team, because I can give you an example. Just last week, we were talking about ChatGPT. You know, it's like the new hot thing, the AI. And we thought like, hey, maybe it would be cool if we could integrate it with our app. And everybody was so eager to do it, and then like bam, the next day we have it working, and from what I heard, clients are pretty impressed with it. So I think that can only happen at small startups like Kolleno. My team is absolutely the best. I love them all. They love what they do. You can see passion, because when we are talking about tasks, what's gonna happen next, everybody's involved. They are bold, they like to also present what they did, and they are not afraid to suggest what can be improved. This team is really a dream to work with. My favorite? I love everybody equally, you know? CTO! That's the thing. They are also great. I love singing. My life is basically one huge karaoke. When nobody's watching, I'm singing all the time. So if you ever go on a trip with me, it's probably gonna be like a carpool karaoke. I mean, I love singing, but I'm terrible at it, you know how it is. It's just a passion of mine. I never said I'm good. My favorite thing about Kolleno is it gives equal chance to everybody. So it doesn't matter in which team you are at, what are you doing, if you have an idea, share it. We'll discuss it, we'll think about it, and probably it will get implemented in some form. So that's amazing, you know, giving opportunity to everybody. Doesn't matter if you are here for 2 years, doesn't matter if you are here for 2 weeks. You have a good idea, we go with it. Money. And all those possibilities, you know. Going on a trip on a yacht. Amazing stuff. I cannot think about anything else because I spend most of the time in the basement. So. But you know, buying a bigger basement, wow, that would be a game changer. Yeah, don't forget to click like and subscribe and the bell icon for notifications.